What is the history of Qatar law? So the history of Qatar law uh, probably begins in 1990 when I moved to Sacramento to raise my family, and I went to work with a legendary Northern California lawyer named Mort Friedman, who was a great lawyer and great mentor to me. And from there, I went out and started a firm with a couple other fellows, and we had a lot of success. Ultimately, we decided to go our own ways, and I founded Qatar Law. And Qatar Law has really grown in ways that I'm proud of, and I'm especially proud that my daughters ended up going to law school and have joined me in the practice as well. And so I think that it's one of the things that I particularly enjoyed founding our firm in Sacramento is kind of our family history here, right? We had my first ancestor, came around the Cape in the gold rush and came to Sacramento, started ranching, and so I was lucky growing up to visit my grandparents here in Sacramento and recognize the places that have been important to my family. Um, Curtis Park, that's that William Curtis, my great great grandfather. So, just to have that sense of history in town really made me want to start the firm here and have the opportunity to give back to this community. That's manifested itself in being active in community service here. Been a long time member of the Rotary. I've served on the board of Win Youth Services, which is very active in homeless youth. I served on the board of trustees of my kids' school. It's always felt really strongly about giving back to the community, in addition to, being a lawyer here and having a law firm that represents people. And the Northern California roots go beyond Sacramento. We have a strong Bay Area presence with our office in Oakland. I was the third generation of my family to go to UC Berkeley undergrad. Celine, my daughter, was the fourth. So, we have a strong Bay Area presence as well. And we both went to law school in the Bay Area too. Lots of friends and family. And so really, I feel like our firm reaches across Northern California, and as it's grown and we've taken leadership roles in nationwide cases, we represent people all over the country, and we practice in courts around the country.